Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to find number of occurrences of a particular character in a string in JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Have the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element. We need one button. Let's make it get. We need one h1 element. Let's make it result. Save it. Go to style sheet, select body element, text align will be center, select div element, display will be inline block, select button element, display will be inline block, padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Save it, open this file in the browser, and this is the output. Let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will create one string in the JavaScript file, and on the click of this get button, I want to display number of occurrences of a particular character in that string. So let's go to JavaScript file. Let's select the button first. So it will be bt and get. Select the h1 element. Let's make it result. We need one string, so let's make it my string. This will be the string. This is a hello world application. Add event listener to the button, which is click. The handler function. Now to verify number of a particular character in this string, we'll make use of filter method and convert the string into a array. So logic will go like this. So we'll make use of array from method to form an array. Then we'll make use of filter method. We'll convert the character into a lowercase with the two lowercase method. Now I want to check for the p character. Okay. And we'll use length property here. That's it. So now you can see there are only two occurrences of p character here. Save it, go to browser, click, and this is the output. Let's go for the L like this. You only use two lowercase method if you want it to be case insensitive. If you want it to be case sensitive, then don't use this method. Okay. So you can see we are having only 4 times L. Just save it, go to browser, and this is the output. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.